Do you have a big or small family?
I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my younger sister.
Who is the person you talk to most in your family?
I talk to my father the most. He is very kind and always helps me.
What do you usually do with your family on weekends?
We often go to the park or have lunch together. It's fun.
Tell me about your best friend.
My best friend is Nam. He is very funny and we play football together.
How often do you see your friends?
I see my friends every day at school.
What do you like about your friends?
I like that they are kind and helpful.